Mix. Oh, du hast und ich hab nicht gesagt, bist du nicht ganz gut sein. Wir sagen mir alle sagen, nein, nein, bist du nicht gut sein. Wir sagen mir alle sagen, nein. Du hast mich! Du hast mich! Everybody, go! Come on! Du hast mich! Du hast mich! Du hast mich gebracht! Du hast mich gebracht! Du hast mich gebracht! Und ich hab dich gesagt! First fucking stormtroopers! If you would like to find out how to be a stormtrooper yourself, this is true, I'm not fucking around, and you would like to do stuff that's for charity and stuff, you can go to whitearmor.net, you can go to the stargarrison.com website, which is a local garrison, and these guys go to see sick children. They go to see kids that have cancer or are dying, and their last wishes are to see a stormtrooper or Darth Vader. And these guys bring dreams true, man. We make a wish and everything else. These guys are heroes. And you may say they're not military and they're not out there fighting, but by God, you give these guys a gun, I wouldn't fuck with them.